Hello students. So in the last class we have started with the regression analysis problems for group data, correct? No? So we have solved the first question. So in today's class we'll continue with the two more problems, okay? So the second question is obtain the lines of regression for the following bivariate frequency distribution. The data was relating to the sales revenue in 1000 rupees and also advertisement expenditure in 1000 rupees, okay, which is the group data. So here we have to find the lines of regressions. As I said in the class, lines, the regression lines and the regression equations both are same. So regression lines means here again we need to find the two regression equations, that is x on y and y on x. So if you observe the class intervals, the x class intervals are 75 to 125, 125 to 175, 175 to 225, 225 to 275, and y intervals are 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45. So first we need to write the midpoints for x and y and the given values we have to write. Okay, I have already prepared the table for this second problem. So x class intervals becomes, the first class interval was 75 to 125. So the midpoint will be 75 plus 125 divided by 2, that gives 100. Similarly, we'll get the remaining values, that is 150, 200, 250. Similarly, y class intervals are, the first class interval was 5 to 15. So 5 plus 15 by 2 gives 10. Similarly, the remaining midpoints are 20, 30, 40. And these are the values which is already given in the problem that I have written as it is. So now we need to find fx. So what is fx? We need to add the values. So 4 plus 1, 5. 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 16. So we need to add the frequencies row wise and column wise, correct? So now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Now we need to find fy. Fy is nothing but the column wise frequency we need to add. The values are like this: 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus 1, that gives 13. Here 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. Here 6 plus 1 is 7. So if we add, we'll get n is equal to 40. That is column wise adding and row wise adding. That total frequency, that is capital N, is equal to 40 will get. So now we'll find the u, that is u is equal to x minus a by c. Okay, so I will take a as the first value of x, that is 100. And what about the width, students? Here width is 50. So c is equal to 50. So now we'll find the u value. So first x value is 100 and a is also 100. So 100 minus 100 is 0. 0 by 50 is also 0. So 150 minus 100 is 50. 50 by 50 is 1. Similarly, we'll get 2, 3. So next is f into u. This frequency multiplied with u. So 5 into 0 is 0. 16 ones are 16. 10 twos are 20. 9 threes are 27. Next is fu square. So to find fu square, we multiply fu with u. So 0, 16, 20 twos are 40, and 27 into 3 is 81. Clear, students? Now similarly we'll find v value. V is y minus b by d. So we'll take first value of y as b, that is b is equal to 10. Here the difference is 10, that is d is equal to 10. So here also we'll get 0, 1, 2, 3. Now multiply with v, that is f into v. 0, 11, 9 2s are 18, 7 3s are 21. To find fv square, fv into v, that is 0, 11, 18 2s are 36, and 21 into 3 is 63. Okay, so now we have to add fu square, fv and fp square. So if we add fu, that is 16 plus 20 plus 27, so we'll get 63. And if we add fu square, we'll get 137. Similarly, if we add fv, 11 plus 18 plus 21, so we'll get 50, and fv square is 110. So this is our total. Okay, so now we need to find FUV. So as we know how to find FUV, each frequency into U and into V. So since the first column and first row U and V values are 0, that whole rows and columns becomes 0, that we will write first, and this row is also 0. Okay, so now here 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 1 is 6. Next, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3. Similarly here, 3 twos are 6, 6 ones are 6. 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. Similarly here, 1 into 3 is 3, 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9, 9 twos are 18. 4 into 3 is 12, 12 threes are 36. So now students, we need to add the values. So since all are 0, here total is 0. 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 6 plus 16 plus 12. The total is 34. Here 3 plus 18 plus 36. The total is 57. Now we'll add column wise. The first column 0, 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15, and third column is 38, and it is 51. So now we'll verify row total and column total. The column total is 104 and row total is also 104. So verification is done. Both sum of FUV is correct. Same. So we can move further for the calculation. So as we know, to find the regression equations, we need to find x bar, y bar, and bxy and dyx. So we know the formula, students. So here A is 100, B is 10, C is 50, D is 10. So x bar formula is A plus C summation FU by N. So A is 100, C is 50, sum of FU is 63, and N is 40. So if you simplify this, you'll get 178.75. This is your x bar value. So next, to find y bar, the formula is B plus D summation FV by N. So B is 10, D is 10, sum of FV is 50, and N is 40. So you'll get y bar as 22.5. Okay, so now we will calculate bxy. So formula I have written, C is 50, D is 10. So now substitute all the values. N is 40, sum of FU is 104 minus 63 into 50 divided by N is 40. Sum of V square is 110 minus 50 square. So this is the substitution for bxy. So 50 by 10 is 5, and this you'll get 4660 minus 3150, denominator 4400 minus 2500 after simplification, and it is numerator 1510 and denominator 1900. So finally you'll get bxy as 3.97. So this is your bxy value. So similarly we will find byx. The formula I have written. Now it is ulta. This 10 by 50. Numerator will be same. that is 40 into 104 minus 63 into 50. Now denominator 40 into, now sum of fu square is 137 minus sum of fu the whole square, that is 63 square. So it is 1 by 5, and here it is numerator 1510 same, and denominator 5480 minus 3969 will get, that is 1 by 5 into 1510 divided by 1511. So final answer is 0.199. This is our byx value. Okay. So after this we need to find the two regression equations, x on y and y on x. Okay, so formula is x minus x bar equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Now we'll substitute x minus x bar, we got 178.75 is equal to bxy is 3.97 and y minus y bar we got 22.5. Okay, so now open the bracket, 3.97y minus 3.97 into 22.5, that is 89.325. 89.325. So now 3.97y minus 89.325. I'll take this minus 178 to this side, it becomes plus 178.75. So final equation is 3.97y. So if you subtract, we'll get plus 89.425. Here it is x. So this is our x on y. Similarly, y on x will substitute. Y minus y bar is how much? 22.5. byx we got 0.199. X minus x bar is 178.75. So open the bracket, 199x minus, multiply these two, we'll get 35.571. So finally we'll get y is equal to 0.199x minus 35.571 plus 22.5. So finally we'll get the equation 0.199x minus 13.071. This is the second equation. So this completes that problem. Clear now students? So first we have to complete this table. You have to obtain the required totals, everything. Then we need to find x bar, y bar, bxy, byx. Then the equation we need to find. Okay, this is the second sum. So now we have the third question, that is obtain the two regression equations. Again the data was given. The y intervals are 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, and x intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20 till 40 to 50, and these are the values given. Okay, so now again first we need to write the midpoints. So 5 to 15 and 30 midpoints will be 10, here 20, 30, 40. 0 to 10 and 30 midpoints will be 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. Okay, that table I have already written students, and given values also I have written. Okay, these are the values, that is frequencies. First we need to find the frequency total. 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1 is 15, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. This total is 15, 4 plus 4 is 8. Similarly, column wise fy. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. This total is 18, 27, 10. So total frequency n is equal to 60 will go. So now u is equal to x minus a by c formula. So we'll take a as the first value of x, that is 5, and here b as first value of y, that is 10. And here c is nothing but the difference, width. Here width is 10 and d is the width of y interval. Here also width is 10. So now if we simplify u and v, we'll get the values as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 0, 1, 2, 3. So now multiply students. 2 into 0 is 0. 15 ones are 15, 20 twos are 40, 15 threes are 45, 8 fours are 32. Now fu square, fu into u ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 0, 15 ones are 15, 40 twos are 80, 45 threes are 135, 32 fours are 128. Similarly here, fv, f into v, 0, 18, 54, 10 threes are 30, fv square and fb into v, 0, 18, 54 twos are 108, 33 is a 90, and I have obtained the total also. So now we need to find fuv values. So ಯಾವುದು values ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ 0 ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ, and also first row and first column u and v values are 0. So I have taken all the first columns and first rows values as 0. So now we need to obtain the remaining values. So tell me students, what happens? 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 1 is 6, 5 ones are 1, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 1 ones are 1, 1 threes are 3. Next here, 8 twos are 16, 16 ones are 16. Next 9 twos are 18, 18 twos are 36, 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 3 threes are 9, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 27 twos are 54, 3 threes are 9, 9 threes are 27. Here 4 fours are 16, 16 twos are 32, and it is 4 fours are 16, 16 threes are 48. So now we'll add the values. First row is 0 and 19, 64, 90, 80. Now we'll add column wise. First column 0, 6 plus 16 plus 9 is 35. Sorry, one second. So 6 plus 16 plus 9 is 31. Next is 132 and is 90. So now we add both column wise and row wise, we'll get the total 153. That is same. So table is correct. Now we'll move further to find x bar and y bar. So here the a values are 5, c is 10, b is 10, d is also 10. So x bar formula a plus c summation fu by n. So a is 5, c is 10, sum of fu is 132 divided by n is 60. So if you simplify, we get 27. Similarly here, b is 10 plus d is 10. Sum of fv is 102 and n is 60. Here also we'll get 27. So both x bar and y bar are 27 here. So now we'll find bxy and byx. Okay. So bxy. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ bxy formula? C is 10, D is 10, N is 60, sum of fu is 253, minus sum of fu is 132, sum of fv is 102. And now here 60, sum of fv square is 216, minus sum of fv the whole square is 102 whole square. So 10 by 10 is 1. Here we get numerator 15180 minus 13464 divided by 12960 minus 10404, that is 1716 by 2556 equal to 0.67 is bxy. Similarly byx, here also 10 by 10, numerator same, it is 60 into 253 minus 132 into 102. Now denominator 60 into sum of fu square 358 minus 132 the square. So here we'll get numerator same, that is 1 into 1716. Denominator is 21480 minus 17424. that is 1716 divided by 4056. The final answer is 0.42. So b by x is 0.42. So now we need to find the two equations, x on y, y on x. Substitute x minus x bar is 27. bxy we got 0.67. y minus y bar is also 27. Open the bracket. 0.67 y minus multiply 0.67 into 27, that is 18.09. In the next step, we'll take 27 to RHS. 0.67y minus 18.09 plus 27, that is 0.67y plus 8.91 is the first regression equation, x on y. Similarly, y minus 27, b by x we got 0.42. x minus x bar is also 27. Open the bracket. 0.42 x minus, multiply these two, we'll get 11.34. So now we'll take 27 to RHS. 0.42 x minus 11.34 plus 27. So final equation is 0.42 x. If we subtract, we'll get plus 15.66. So this is the answer for the third question. So this is about the regression analysis for bivariate data. Just you need to prepare a table properly, then you should know the formulas to find x bar, y bar, bxy, byx, and the regression equations formula is you have already studied for ungrouped data also. So just the changes is the formulas for x bar, y bar, bxy and byx. Anyways, this table also you have already studied in correlation chapter, so it will be easy for you. So I have solved the three sums, remaining only one sum that I'll give you as a homework. Try to solve it. If at all you'll get any difficulties or any problems, any confusions, you can ask me. Okay, so this completes the chapter, that is analysis of bivariate data. So we have completed correlation. In correlation, the three measures: scatter diagram, Karl Pearson's and Spearman's rank correlation. And in regression, the two types of regression equations, predictions, correct? No, obtaining x bar, y bar, and also the correlation coefficient through the regression coefficients, that we completed. Okay. So in the next class, we'll start with the new chapter, that is the last chapter, that is interpolation and extrapolation. Okay. Before that, all of you complete the notes. I will send you the notes in the WhatsApp group. So complete the notes. Okay. Thank you.